Hey ladies, it's Charlie Mar Beauty. I'm here today with a new beat, getting into them fall colors. Let me know what you think. This video will be up shortly. It's Charlie Mar Beauty. Like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome. It's Charlie Mar Beauty, and I'm here today with a new beat. Sorry I've been away, but sometimes you just gotta step away from social media, and I know that goes against the rules of being consistent. All right, let's jump into it. But I've been away. Let's see, we got through September, we got through our eviction. Me and husband are working hard to pay bills and get through the holidays. We actually took the kids trick-or-treating, which we haven't gone since Amira was like 2. So we actually took our kids trick-or-treating. We were gonna stay in the house. You know, I didn't want to buy costumes and go out, but everyone got out the house. We went downtown. We literally stayed between like H and 46 in downtown Sac. And when I say the 40s were packed, we call them the fabulous 40s because they're beautiful homes, you know, like doctors and successful people, and they're beautiful houses. But we went downtown to the 40s to do trick-or-treating this year. And when I say everybody had the same plan, everyone, even when I was a child, the streets weren't that packed. It was so packed. You would have thought it was like a parade or something. Like, it was so many people. We had started trick-or-treating at 6:30, but going on 7:30, 8 o'clock, crowds started hitting corners. My kids were standing in line trick-or-treating. We've never really had to stand in line. You might have had like 2 or 3 people, you know, in front of you while trick-or-treating, but a whole line to get candy. Everyone had the same plan. So thank you, fabulous 40s. You guys did that. Didn't run out of candy. My kids only lasted about an hour and a half and they were done. My son wanted to keep going. My daughter, on the other hand, she was cold. Even after she put on a jacket, she was just over it at that point. But yeah, they didn't last. We used to have to be like, oh no, we want to stay out later. We want to stay out later. To our parents, you know, let's keep going. Our bags would be filled and some more. Mom would have an extra pillowcase, okay? But that just wasn't the case. Like, and the children were like dead, y'all. Tell me what your children were like on Halloween. When I say that we used to be like, trick or treat, what's the song? Smell my feet. If you don't give me something good to eat, I'm gonna pull down your underwear. I don't know the full tune. It's been a minute. But when I say there was none of that, like it was parents standing in the what do you call it? The pathway of the homes, you know, waiting on their children to go up, you know, happy Halloween, trick or treat. They were quiet. Like the activity, the energy just was not giving. And if that's what social media is doing to our children, y'all, we need to rethink their childhood, because the experience is what matters. And if you're not going to enjoy it and be energetic and be into it, it kind of takes away from it, you know? My husband and I were in the background, happy Halloween, trick or treat, you know, give me something good to eat. We had more energy than the kids. They were just not giving, y'all. The energy was not there. These new generations, I'm scared. Anyways, let me know. Were your children like hyped about trick-or-treating? Did you go trick-or-treating? How's that working out for you? How did that work out for you? Halloween. It was a nice experience. You know, me and my husband is quick to stay home, especially since COVID. We not playing. We quick to stay home. I love my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I just had to go to South Sac Beauty Supply to see if, you know, they still was buying LA Girl, and they ain't said nothing. It was fully stocked. So, excuse my little fingernails. I keep them cut. Yeah, NK. And it say Cocoa. Where it say Cocoa? Oh, right underneath. Cocoa. So, we're gonna do our brows real quick. Let me do it right. Let me not act like I'm brand new to this. We want it to last. But yeah, I stepped off of social media, and it wasn't like I wasn't doing nothing. I stepped off of social media and I started working on passive income. So I started my Pinterest account. It's under Charlie Mar Beauty. Check out Pinterest. And then I also started my Printify and Etsy account because Bougie Barbie, man, I've been watching that girl for a minute, okay? I was watching her all the way through her lip gloss to her doing digital products and just living the life. And it's like, I want that life. I just want freedom. I want to be able to spend and not have to worry about what bills are or aren't paid. I'm just tired of financially struggling. I'm tired of the 9 to 5. And I don't know if they selling us a dream, y'all, with you not having to work a 9 to 5 and you've been able to take digital products serious and affiliate marketing serious and YouTube automation serious. But when I say I got my fingers in every last one of them, I'm going to be doing some tutorials here shortly once I see that I'm making progress on it, because as you know, the holidays are here. So you can check out my store. I'm still uploading products. I have to go in and update the titles, the tags, and all that. But my main focus is design and then publish the item that I'm trying to basically create. I'm figuring it out. You know, my mom always used to tell me, girl, I don't even want to get into that. I'm not trying to make this a depressing video. But you know, when your mama tell you a nigga ain't about, you know, she ain't lying to you. They done lived it. They done experienced it. And all my life, I fought my mom on her all my life, I have been fighting my mom on her opinions when it comes to the men that I date. And you know what sucks? Because she's been right every single time. I can't say dating in this case. My ass ran off and got married because I had a baby. And I didn't want to have children before marriage. So I call myself not trying to be a statistic and got my butt in a bigger pickle than what I needed to be in. So we made our bed. We're living in it, whether we're happy or not. You got to have a plan to succeed and get out of it. So with that being said, we're working on passive income. And I'm going to do some videos so you guys can check out my Printify Etsy store. And my Etsy store is Charlie Glam Prints. Charlie Glam Prints. I'll post it up here so you guys can see it. Visit it, check it out, give me feedback, good and bad. I'm accepting it all. But we're doing the copy and paste method with some of our products that are successful through other people's stores. Because, yeah, that's how rich people be rich. Copy and paste, copy and paste. Make it your own, of course. But, okay, I'm rambling. Oh, Coco, I see you. I see you. Okay, it's 12:30. Hold on, y'all. Okay, let me do my eyebrow real quick. I'm over here messing around. I just feel like it's Monday. I'm all over the place. I woke up. I don't want to say in a negative headspace, but I was like, husband, bye. Go get it. Like, what time you leaving today? Now, right? You leaving now, right? I need you to go get the money. He was like, man, I had a plan to leave at this time. But luckily, he did leave early. He made 40 bucks. We're doing our eyebrows right now. Focus, unit. Focus, 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 unit. Y'all ready for the holidays? I'm over here like, oh, I got time to go shopping. Christmas is next month. I ain't got no dang time. The job not giving out overtime. I didn't apply for a night job. I'm just trying to do too much. Too much. Too much. That's pretty. Excuse my little hair, y'all. Okay. Time. Okay, like I said, I'm working. Let me take a call. Yeah, that's the eyebrows. So we lotioned our face with Pond's. I'm gonna go on with a second coat of that in a minute. Okay, and now I'm going to go back in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. No primer, no setting powder. Because I hate when my eyelids crease. I do not like that. Now, ladies, don't ever think that we go over our eyeshadow just once. When I'm done with my look and foundation and setting powder, I go back over my eyeshadow colors so I can make sure that they pop. Okay, don't ever think we just apply it just at one time during the video. Now I'm going over that burgundy with the reds in this palette I had bought offline. And we're going to blend out our eyeshadow around the edges of the look. You don't want any harsh lines. Okay. And then right here we're going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to clean up the eyeshadow before we get down and, you know, before we lay down the rest of our look. Okay, now I'm going in with the contour stick. This is by Fenty in the shade Rich Ebony. Okay, now I'm going in with the Fit Me foundation in the shade Mocha. Not my cat giving me the side eye like, what you looking at? Look at him. That's my Nobi. Okay, when I don't want to put on a whole lot of makeup, this is the routine that I use for my makeup. When I'm not tripping, this is very light, you know, very light, but full coverage when I get done with it. Let me know what you ladies think and if you use this routine. All right, we highlighted a little bit more, went in with the Morphe setting powder. We're bronzing with the Juvia's Place bronzer in the shade Deep. Then we're going with the Morphe setting mist. And this look has come together. I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. It's Charlie Mar Beauty.
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me like he did.
It's Charlie Mar Beauty. Like, comment, and subscribe.